Hello, I am Elizabeth Abraham. Your coding says 139. So here I am explain my fifth experiment in web technology. So it's all about JavaScript. So my first question is like to find shortest and the largest string. So the string will be entered by the user and it will direct which one is shortest and the smallest word. So let's go through the scripting, and the first it will ask to enter the string, and then it is like in the format. So it will ask in input type equal to text, we have to give the string, and in a button type we will click like on click, it will call a function like word. So when we click only, we will get that which one is the smallest and which one will be the largest. So in the button it will be show like click me, and in the largest and smallest it will get the elements, it will get the answer. So when we go to JavaScripting, since we are calling by document.getElement by id, the id will be very important over here. So the first one will be t1. So this t1, whatever will be the value entered by the user, will be storing in a variable called str. And the a, if the word is entered by the user is God is love, then the a will split these words, like it will be taken as array. The first element that God, that it will be stored in a of 0, a of 1 will store is, and a of 2 will store love. So according to my program, the max and the min will have the values like a of 0 at first, that is God. Then in the for loop I will find which element will be having greater number or the smallest letters, smallest number of letters, greatest number of letters. So this for loop is for that, and at last the max value will be stored in S1, so it will be shown in the largest, and in the smallest it will be shown in min. So let us run the program and see. So here I am going to give like God is love. So when I do click me, see the largest will be coming as love, or the smallest will be coming as is. Let's give like Karana University. Refresh the page and give it as Karana University. So the smallest one will be the Karana and the largest one will be university. So the next question is like to find the BMI calculator. For BMI calculator, first I have to enter my weight, then I have to enter my height, and it will be in the place ID like T2 and T3, and after that after giving this height and weight, I have to click calculate. The calculate is a function to calculate BMI. Then in the function calculate, what I am doing is like I will get the weight and height entered by the user, then I will calculate using the weight will be divided by height into height. Then if BM, if that like the calculator value is less than or equal to 18, then it will be underweight. If it is greater than 18 and less than 25, it will be normal. And if it is greater than 25 and greater than 25 and less than 30, it will be overweight. And if BMI is greater than 30, it will be obsessed. So let's go through the. So whatever will be this one, whatever will be the answer, it will be shown in the span ID S23. We go to the code, and like the weight like 51, and the height will be 1.62. So your BMI is 19 point something, and it is normal because it is between 18 to 25. My next code is for the fruit farm. In fruit farm, actually, I'll write the which number of rows and how many number of columns I need, and I on click I'll call a function grow, and it is for plant garden. So the idea I have given it is garden. In function, what I do is like I'll get the rows and columns number which entered by the user to the script. So before itself I have said that for JavaScript we will use script tag, and then in for loop we will run a for loop and we will generate the different random numbers. the random number is 0, then I will get the image of orange, and if it is 1, then I'll get the apple. So it will be always randomly I'm getting apple and orange. It's not like one row of orange and one row of apple, but then it will generate a random number. For random number generation, I have used smart.random. Let's go to the script and do it. So I'll give the rows like 3 and the columns like 4. So if I give plant garden, say I can get a random number of orange and apples. So like how we generate which one, 0 or 1. The next wording is for, I think, conversion. Yeah, it is for conversion, currency conversion. Okay. The body part is, here is the body part. It's a currency converter. Currency conversion is to Indian rupee to dollar and dollar to Indian rupee. So it's like according to the user's wish we can convert it. So one is from and one is to. 2 blanks are there. And in convert I have given like calculate. Calculate is this function. Sorry, I'll call the function convert, and the convert function will be this one. So I'll get first what value I have given as from and what value I have given as to, and it will check like the conversion is like Indian rupee to US dollar you have to do by 67.12, and from US to India it is like 0.015. So according to this logic we will use conversion, currency conversion. Let's give like 2.14 US dollars to Indian rupee. US dollars to Indian rupee. Calculate. The answer will be like 143.63. So it's if I do vice versa, let me check like 45 of Indian rupee to US dollars. It might be 0 point because US dollar is refresh it and I do. Okay, 45 of Indian rupee to US dollar. It's 0 point because one rupee is 67.12 US dollars. Okay, and that's all about the next question. And currency conversion is over. And next is like toss a coin. Toss a coin is similar like random generation which we have done for the fruit farm. I have toss a coin and it should randomly get 0, I mean head or tails. It should be generated. The probability should be same. So for that the body part goes like flip. It's like for the image also I'm using. So first of all I'll show a height image, and then I'll get this document.element by id b1 and even listener. Okay, this is on click. I have to change it to head or tails. So I'm okay, first of all like we have to count the number of head and tails also. So first I will initialize x is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0. Then I'll do the mark random function so that I'll get either a 0 or 1. If I guess 0, I'll mark it as head, and if I get 1, I'll give it as tail. And the answer is the answer I'm storing it in which one? Okay, in void, so that it will be displayed what is the number of tails and what is the number of heads. So S3 and S4 are the places to store the number of times the H is getting incremented or T is getting incremented. So first time let me flip it. First I got a head, the next time also I got a head, third time I got a tail, and when so the number of head is 4 times I have flipped. The number of head first one is 2 and the head is 2, tail is also 2. When I flip once more it is head, so the number of head has increased to 3. Then again I got a tail, so it goes on like that. The next program is of cake order. So I have to get the number of cakes, how many, like I have to get what is the total price if I order this much number of small cakes, this much number of medium, or this much number of large cakes according to the user's input. So first I'll get the number of cakes for small, medium and large, and then what I will do is like I'll get a radio button to get how many percentage of it I have to do. So then I'll on click I'll call an event like cake. So cake is a function, and I'll get all the values which I have stored in small, mid and large in these variables. And then the calculation part I did, like the price is equal to small into 100 plus medium into 200 plus large into 400, and the tax also I have included. So price will be price plus tax. And after getting these values, what I will do is like I'll get it into the price tag, price ID. So first of all I will be having a price ID and I will display it. It's all about it. So we'll go to the code. So this is the last one. So number of cake is, then we give it as 3, medium cake will be 4, then we give it as 5, and the tip is like 15% tip I can give, and calculate the order. So I'll get like 3,885.85 paise. So this program was all about like Java scripting, similar to Java only. We'll write a function and we'll call it. So we can do easily in the web page. Thank you.